June 19th, 1865, the last slaves were freed in America, and Juneteenth is when we celebrate that real freedom. This event is about independence, freedom, and community. And our community is really diverse. And I think it's important that we all come together to celebrate that.
We have kids activities, we have food trucks, we have song, we have dancing, we have artists making live art, and then we're always gonna end it with an amazing dance party right here at the beautiful Hinson Amphitheater.
I've heard about the event for the last couple of years, so wanted to take the day off to come hang out with the kids and for them to be able to experience something like this, because it's something I didn't have growing up.
Oh, it's very nice. It's very cultural out here. The symphony was really good. I really think this is amazing that a lot of people are out here from all cultures. And so I'm excited to come out here and celebrate with everyone as well.
It's really, really important to us to have events like this here in New Albany, events that bring everybody together so they can learn about other people who are living right here in their community and celebrate together.